Hey ho, welcome to the show, everybody. This is going to be for the 99 and up 4R100 Ford transmission dipstick tubes, and I believe it also covers the 5R whatever 5-speed and the 6.0, 6.4 power strokes, specifically dealing with leaky transmission tubes. We have two issues. Number one, I don't know how well it's going to show up, but they rust out. And two, this breaks off from the tube because they rust out, and then they leak down here. Now, here's the thing I found out the hard way. You can't just order this piece, and you can't just order this piece, because this, you have to take the transmission out. This is what nobody tells you. This is actually a pressed in. There used to be Teflon tape around there. This is actually pressed into the transmission, henceforth with the two-piece design. And that O-ring also does not come with this, which is readily available by Dorman. I can show proof because in my quest, I bought a second one because the first one wasn't working in my efforts to replace it on my 99 Super Duty, because this had cracked. The transmission tube rusted out. I was leaking fluid from here, and when I was trying to add it, more was pouring out than was going in. I don't know if I said or not. I believe I did, but there's an O-ring. That O-ring you have to order separately. The O-ring, and I believe the big dipstick tube, I hope I'm not yelling, you can get from Rock Auto. A quick online search showed this, but that does you no good. Believe you me, I fought with it for over an hour lying underneath the truck, and my truck has the V10 in it, which is quite a headache because the two collectors come down right there next to the transmission dipstick tube area. One of them makes a 180-degree bend to go into the catalytic converter, and is barely enough room to get one arm into there. This piece, I believe, is like 18 bucks, and this piece is like 28 bucks, but that does not fix the problem. No, you have to go aftermarket and get this for, sit down for it, $93, because it has this billet end on it from ATS, whatever it is, ATS something. Hold on, the box is here. ATS Diesel Performance. Yes, Diesel Performance, even though it's a gas truck, they use the same transmission and henceforth with the same dipstick. So this is going to slip in. Hold on. Actually, I can't. I'm not going to. Hold on. This should, hopefully, this video is going to be such a mess. It's what happens when you deal with amateurs who video record on their phones. So that there is supposed to slide in, give you a leak-free seal, and the factory transmission tube fits into it. So, yeah. There you go. I hope this helps some other people out. Over $100 worth of parts, but it's better than having to drop the trans and at a cost of 5 hours to press this in only to have it leak again. For that, I figured the $93, if you shop around to some places, you can get free shipping. ATS is in Colorado. They wanted to charge me $28 to ship this. Redonkulous. I don't care if it's made out of titanium or gold or platinum. But yeah, there's the arrangement. That's what you need. You need this piece and an O-ring for here. That goes on there. So 4R100 in the 99 and up Super Duties, I believe till 07, maybe till 2010, because it did list on the ATS website that it goes for the 6.4 as well as 6.0 and the 7.3, and therefore the 6.8, 5.4, and did I say 6.0? Yeah, that's about it. All right, thanks, bye.